Okay, what's up, YouTube? It's Pacey AI one more time, bringing you another video. This one is courtesy of Suno, and Suno got a really interesting feature. So, guys, remember to leave a like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications. So, Suno, man, this is pretty dope, I think, and it's the new coverage feature. Now, I did generate a few songs right here, and I'm gonna kind of show you what this coverage feature actually does and the power of this. I think it's really, really cool. So this song in particular, this is a hip hop song that I generated.
I see gold that shines bright, fancy cars each night. Money talks, that's right. Chase dreams, take flight. Crowd scream my name.
So as you guys can see, that's the song that I generated. Now, we want to go ahead and cover this song, and I'm gonna make a reggae cover of this song. So essentially what covering does is that it keeps the melody the same, but you can actually change the style of the music. So you can change it to anything that you want. If you want to change it to jazz, if you want to change it to pop, R&B, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and change this to reggae, and you guys are gonna hear how this sounds when I change it. So I'm gonna go create. Okay, so I created the reggae version of the song, so let's hear it.
I see golden shine bright, fancy cars each night. Money talks, that's right. Chase dreams, take flight. I see gold, it shines bright. Fancy cars each night. Money talks, that's right. Chase dreams, take flight. Crowds scream my name.
And that's the reggae. Pretty cool, as you guys can see. And that's how you cover a song on Suno. It's a really, really nice feature. I also want to touch on the Exclude Styles feature. So let's go back to this. Now let's change this to reggae. And I'm gonna also add a little bit of pop in this. I'm gonna add a little bit of electro. And whatever you put first is what the LLM recognizes as the most important. So just keep that in mind when it comes on to Suno. It's going to essentially mimic the style of reggae more, or it's going to lean more towards reggae than these other genres. So keep that in mind. If I want to make sure that a style does not get generated, I can remove rock from here, and I can also remove rap. So I'll just go put in rap. And what this essentially does is that it excludes certain styles from the generation, so you don't get something that you're not looking for. So that's pretty much that. Let me know what you guys think about this new coverage feature. Definitely something that you guys need to definitely try out. And have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Peace. Introducing Ninja Chat. So Ninja Chat is a platform that allows you to use multiple different AI models to do different tasks. It integrates multiple AI models into one, so you don't have to pay for each of these AI models separately. It does give you some credits. So if you start with the basic plan, you get about 1,000 credits per month, and that equals 1,000 messages. You also get 30 image generations per month. So if we look at some of the features, so we have the AI playground, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit more. We also have AI images, chat with PDF, writing library, and then we have the different AI models you can use. So you have the Chat GPT, you have Claude, you have Llama, Perplexity, Gemini, and your favorite, Grok. When you go to the writing library, we have some different tools that we can actually use to improve our writing. Another very cool feature is chatting with PDFs. So you can actually chat with your PDF, upload a PDF right here, ask it questions and get answers. This is great for if you are reading a long PDF and you need answers right away. Also, if you want to generate image, there are two image generation models. So you have Stable Diffusion 3 and you have the newest Flux AI Pro model, which is the number one image generation model out there right now. It is great for generating people, objects, environments. And then finally, you have the AI Playground, which is a feature that allows you to compare prompts from the different models that are on the platform. So as you guys can see, by default, we have GPT-4o, Claude, Llama 3, and Mistral. So if I decide to ask the question, let's say I say, give me a breakdown. So essentially it will write out the response for each of these models, and then I can compare the response and determine which one I think is great. So definitely check this out. Ninja Chat, link is in the description to this one.